How you doing, guys? And welcome back. And actually today is a lazy day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the doors off the Jeep and take you guys on a cruise down Miami and go down to the beach. And there's a restaurant there that you actually eat and you go overlook the marina while you eat, so you know you get that feel that you're actually on the water. So we're gonna go catch some late lunch at a nice place and enjoy the day. So come along. There you go. So that's how you do it. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the mirrors that they go right here, so I can see back. All right, it's pretty easy. The mirrors go right where the hinge goes. Stick it in there. So yeah, stick it in there. Put that on. My wrench. Gotta make sure it's tight because the wind makes it, you know, turn inside. So gotta make sure it's tight. There you go. There you go. We got the right side on. Now let's go put on the left side. So now you go inside and make sure it's where I want it to be, right there. And that one, I gotta turn it on a little bit. So here we go. There you go. It's that simple. And I'm gonna carry the wrench with me just in case I have to adjust it while I'm on the road. So there you go. Ready to go. We got an instant side by side, but 5 passengers. Well, it's a lot of boats here.
Mas eu não vi, eu não sabia que eu ia hoje.
Wait. Go right here. Okay, Dan. Okay, Dan. Okay, so we're here hanging out at Otis Grill. This is located at a point of Key Biscayne, better known as El Farito, where the park is. And actually, you can come here by boat. I've been here maybe 2 or 3 times with my boat a long time ago. And if you guys are familiar, it's right after, if you're bordering going towards open ocean on Key Biscayne, it's right after Nixon Sandbar. You're gonna see the little entrance to the left, you know, if you're heading east on the water. But yeah, this place is pretty nice. The food wise is pretty good. It's more towards seafood and Cuban style food. All right, let's check out the menu. What we're gonna get. We're gonna go with the mahi sandwich. I haven't had that in a while, so I'll take that. What you gonna get, boy? We're running with one today only. Oh, look at Big Mama.
It's funny how expensive it is when you're not eating fish. Well, not all, but like basically.
For you. Te traigo lo otro.
We got mahi. What you got? Another mahi over there. What you got, boy? You like it? And what Big Mama got? Big Am. What you got, Big Am? Fried shrimp. All right.
Want to taste? I taste.
Somebody took my food. Was it you, boy? Somebody ate my food. I think it was her. I didn't eat it. Somebody ate it. Somebody ate my food. It was good though. Well, you gotta have that addiction, huh? Yes, addiction to coffee.
The best way to finish a nice dinner.
No way.
Lunch, dinner. Eh?
No way. I don't like Cuban coffee. No. It's too strong.
He must be the only Cuban who doesn't drink Cuban coffee.
I don't like Cuban coffee. Okay, so we enjoyed our food. Like you guys noticed, I had the mahi grilled, and Joel did too. And Big Mama had breaded shrimp. Actually, her shrimp tasted pretty good, but I was in the mood to eat mahi. I haven't had mahi in a while. So we're here, walking around, trying to work down the food that we just ate. And here, yeah, it's great. And another thing, the dock here, there's a pump out station. So if you guys, need to pump out, I mean, I don't know what the charge is. So, you could come dock and pump out. It's pretty good. Like I was saying, I've been here a while. Last time I was here, we came a few friends and we had lunch here at the restaurant. And I mean, on the weekend it gets pretty busy. Sometimes you have to wait. I remember one time I had to wait like an hour. But I mean, it's worth it because like that you get to hang out, walk around the boat, meet new people. But it's a great place. I brought my drone because I wanted to take a few drone shots of Key Biscayne and of the lighthouse. But the problem is, as soon as you come into the park, because this is a state park, it said no drones allowed. So you know, I didn't want to break the rules, so I didn't take any drone shots. Little stroll.
What about you? No doors.
Nothing. No, actually, it's only, I don't know. It's almost like
6 o'clock.
it's like 5:30, something like that.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
Right, time change.
You need to put new batteries in my watches. On my watches, I have no batteries.
Oh my god.
Y el anillo para cuándo?
Oh,
What happened to it? Christmas gift.
oh boy. Santa, where are you? It's beautiful. I like it. It's simple. I like it. It's a nice boat. It's nice. I like it. It looks like a speedboat.
Babe?
So,
Scarface.
took you. Scarface.
Tonight, tú comes de picadillo.
So we got Scar Woman.
You're gonna start it down.
Okay, so
You're gonna lose compounds.
I took you guys on a lazy Sunday ride through Miami, and actually I was gonna take you guys through South Beach, but it was too many people. I guess something was going on, some kind of event was going on at the beach, so it was gonna take too long, so I had to divert and get back on the highway. But maybe next time, maybe next time. And I was planning to do a drone shot here because it's a real pretty lighthouse. Yeah, you see the beautiful Biscayne Bay.
So they can come here on the boat, or they can come.
Oh, yeah, you can come here.
Like if you're from Miami,
Ouch,
or
there's
if
a
you're
lot.
visiting Miami.
Oh, mosquitoes are coming. Mosquitoes are coming.
So what's the name? Boaters Grill.
Otis Grill. And we made it just in time to catch the beautiful sunset. Well, this is something you could do, and you don't really have to own a boat, because you could get here by car, and you know, you could spend the day here. Actually, on the other side of the seawall, they have like this, like a little fishing pier they fish off of. But we're just right now enjoying the beautiful sunset and the sound of the water. We started heading back, and if you notice, we have 2 missing persons. Yes, Gabby and Fresco didn't come because we dropped them off at their friend's house. All right, so we walked around the dock, enjoying the view of the nice boats. And oh my God, look at this, an old cigarette. Let me check out this old, must be in the 80s, because I haven't never seen one like this. Looks like a Pantera sort of, but it's a cigarette. Pretty cool. That's a classic. Cool car, boy. Cool car. We had a good time today. We enjoyed the ride, the food, and a beautiful sunset. But it's about that time. It's time to go home.